Hi, today I'm going to improvise more than usual, but I want to talk about a problem that I'm working on at the moment and that is very meaningful for me. And yeah, you have to consider that we as Strumenta, as a company, help people basically to solve two problems. First, we use professionals who are not developers to communicate better their intention to a computer by designing and implementing a domain-specific language for them. And we help people dealing with legacy code by creating solution to understand legacy code or migrate to a language that is better for, for the purposes of the company contacting us. Now, in both cases, we are serving two different audiences that are different from ourselves. In the first case, we are talking about people who are non-developers, and if I know something about myself is that I am a developer. And in the second case, we are serving typically people that have been working with the same technology for 20 or 30 years. And this is not me. Or not at least with that kind of technologies that typically people consider legacy. Now, I think that today there is a lot of advice going on about working only on problems that you experience firsthand. And I think this is one of those advice that we keep repeating and doesn't make any sense, but we need to take it at face value. And if that was true, then we will have infants designing diapers, or wheelchair could only be designed by people that are using one. That doesn't make any sense, in my opinion. I think we are a society, we collaborate, we use our skills to solve problems that someone has, someone that could be different from ourselves. I eat vegetables, not as many as I should, that are grown by someone that is not like me, and I wouldn't be very good at growing vegetables. I mean, I used to help my grandmother when I was a child growing vegetables, but left to my own device, I would not survive a winter, I guess. But yeah, I think that it's normal that we use skills to apply them to problems that we do not personally have. But when this happens, of course, we need to find a way to understand better the people we are serving, even if they're different from us. Personally, I'm going through this book, Lean Customer Development, exactly to getting better at this. And, of course, having received emails and having had meetings for a few years, so at this point, I think I talk with many people in different countries, experiences the problem we are trying to solve, but still it's not enough. It's never enough. You always want to understand better the kind of problems that people are living, because there are so many things that you're not aware of, the constraints they're facing because of the organization they're working on, because of maybe constraints in purchasing a solution, their objective that could be sometimes in conflict with the objective of the organization they're working for. There are so many aspects to understand. And so we are making an effort. I'm personally making an effort on this. We are organizing surveys, and I would love to do interviews, just 15 minutes with people that are working with legacy code in any shape or form, from RPG, SAS, PL1, Power Builder, VB6, whatever. Just spend 15 minutes to learn, how it is their daily routine working with legacy code, what kind of challenges they face, what problem, if they have a magic wand, they could solve. And so we are organizing interviews and looking for volunteers. So looking at you, I would really love if someone could dedicate 15 minutes of their time to this. And yeah, so I will share a link about this. And if you have any suggestions on things we could do to better understand the problem faced by who is dealing with legacy code, we will really appreciate it, because yeah, we're trying to help. And so it gets the first part of helping is shutting up and listen and understand and learn. And then we can come up with our brilliant idea, or ideas that seems brilliant to us. And people will tell us if we are mistaken or not. So thank you. I will keep finishing this book that is looking at me from the corner. And if you are willing to spend 15 minutes telling about your experience with legacy code, or sharing these with your colleagues or friends or enemies, it doesn't matter, it's the same to us. Or if you have any other ideas that we could use to better learn about the problems that people have with legacy code, I would really appreciate it. So thank you for your time, and see you soon. Bye.